I'm going to try to make this quick. It's 4:30 a.m. and I have worked a ridiculous amount of hours since Monday. But I was so excited when we started talking about the money that can be made. The simple idea I had for a pre-launch page just wasn't going to cut it. So I'm using some new AI technology, and of course, now that I know what I'm doing, I can do things much faster. But it was a lot slower at the beginning. Also, when I'm creating a page like this, making sure they take action was a real challenging part for me because, first of all, the high-end product's $300, and there's so many options. So finally, my brain put it together. Okay? So this is what the page looks like. Okay? I will share it. Okay? Now you're going to notice that here I have some videos. This is the main sales video. You see I haven't put the embed code in here because I've redone this video 20 times already. And then I got this idea. So what happens is when they click this, they're going to learn about the #1 business killer. But right at the beginning, I talk to them about the prize that they're going to get. And I tell them that I'm going to give them a secret code inside the video. So they're going to get a prize. They have to pay attention to the damn video. And they're going to get this code. Okay? And then at the end of the video, I'm going to tell them what they're going to get for the code. But not only am I going to tell them what they're going to get for the code, I'm going to tell them that they're going to have personal access. But if they become a Profit Hub system member, they're going to have me, a product and software development company, giving them full licensing rights for these kind of products. So if you understand what I mean, one, I need them to know what the business killer is, because when they know it, they'll want the website even more. When they know the second one, and I haven't, it's too late for me to upload any more videos. But again, I tell them at the beginning, I give them a secret code in the middle here, and then at the end, I show them the AI offer builder software. And again, I tell them 100% free, no cost, no obligation, yada, yada, yada. But just imagine, I'm telling him right here, just imagine, 100% free, personal use is off, but now imagine having full licensing rights as a Profit Hub system member. I'm going to do this to them 6 times on this one page. This is closer to the product launch formula where you are piquing interest at a very high level, but you are making people go through a process. And if I do this correctly, and I have spent most of my waking hours since the webinar creating a brand new sales page that is going to be ready tomorrow late in the day, I think I really hit a home run here.